Hello everyone! Welcome to Chemniverse. There might be no one in the world who does not know what paper is, but there are a lot of people who do not know how the manufacturing of paper is done. In today's video, we are trying to talk about the basic principle of paper manufacturing. Well, there is no need to define what paper is. However, it should not be less interesting to see what a chemist thinks paper is. So here is a formal definition. Paper is a smooth, water-resistant opaque fibrous cellulosic sheet that is used for writing or printing. The principal raw material of paper is wood and bamboo, which are in fact the main sources of cellulose. Paper manufacturing involves two processes. Number 1, manufacturing of pulp for paper from wood or bamboo. And number 2, manufacturing of paper sheet from the pulp. The cellulosic material is known as the pulp, which is made from wood or bamboo. Wood or bamboo undergoes a chemical treatment so that lignin and other non-cellulosic compounds are removed. In this process, only a cellulosic portion is collected by cooking small pieces of wood or bamboo with sodium sulfide or sodium carbonate, or sodium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide, etc. As the pulp is prepared by chemical treatment, this pulp is often called the chemical pulp. Nowadays, most of the pulp is produced by the Kraft pulping method, which is briefly outlined below. First of all, wood or bamboo is cleaned and washed, and then cut into small pieces, say, into logs. Wood chips are formed through chipping. These chip bins are screened and then sent to the digester to be cooked with chemicals. In the digester, a cooking liquor consisting of sodium sulfide and sodium hydroxide is passed over the chip bins, under pressure, in presence of vapor. This is called cooking. Cooking is continued for 3 hours. Then the pressure is lowered to some extent. The whole material is then blown into a machine called blow pit. The resulting pulp is washed, and the black liquor is separated. Before the screening, the knots associated with the pulp are sent into the knotter. Finally, fine screening is made before thickener is added. By adding thickener, most of the water from the pulp is eliminated, and then the pulp is bleached with the help of calcium hypochlorite or free chlorine. Then the pulp is washed and dyed. Finally, the pulp sheet or lap is made by passing the pulp into the charge chest. The pulp sheet is now ready for making paper. Thus, after different processes and operations, the pulp is finally converted into a sheet. Manufacturing of paper from pulp mainly involves 3 steps: beating, refining, and paper sheet making. The pulp is passed into a beater machine which has a bar, roll, and a bed plate. The pulp is given the shape of a sheet being beaten mechanically. Final refining is done in a refiner or Jordan machine in which sizing and bleaching materials like sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, and bleaching powder are added. With the help of the machine, a smooth, white, and leak-proof pulp of paper is obtained. The paper sheet is made by passing the refined pulp in a fourdrinier machine, in which there is a traveling wire. The paper sheet falls below the roller as ordered. Under pressure and aging, a paper sheet of 90–94% dryness comes from the roller of the machine. Finally, the paper sheet is reeled and sent to the finishing department. So, this is how paper is manufactured from wood or bamboo. That's all for today. Please subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Till next time.